guys, welcome to our channel. I am Dr. Anubha from Illuminate Minds. Today we are going to talk about modal verbs. Modals are the type of auxiliary verbs that are used to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. They are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, ought to, etc. Today we are going to talk about two modal verbs, can and could. So let's get started. Can is used to express the ability, to give the permission, to request, to show possibility, or to give order. So let's talk about each one of these with examples. The first is the ability. Ability implies having some means or skill to do something. For example, the man can run. Now in this picture, you can easily see that the man is able to run. That means he has the ability, or we can use can. Second is request. Request is to ask politely or formally for something. For example, can you please do this for me? So this is a kind of request a person is making to somebody. Third is permission. Permission is to give consent or authority. For example, you can see that the athlete is being given the permission to start the race. So that is, we can use can here. Next is order or prohibition. Order is to give command or instruction. Generally it goes with boss to employees, or masters to servants, or parents to children. Next is possibility. Possibility shows the likelihood or that something may or may not happen. In this picture, you can see that the dentist is treating the patient and telling him that your tooth can decay. Second part is about could. Could is used to show the past ability. It is also used to show the possibility for polite requests and as a conditional of can. Let's see. First is the past ability. Past ability is used to show the ability of the person in the past. For example, she could play football when she was young. So the footballer was able to play football in the past, but she can't play it now because she has grown old. Next is about the possibility. Could is used to express present, past and future possibilities. Here we are talking about the present possibility. This news could be fake. Here we can see that be is used and we are talking about the present possibility. Next is we can talk about the past possibility, which is also conditional of can. It requires a condition to be fulfilled. For example, if I had money, I could have bought a new car. So the person requires money to buy a new car and it is in the past. Next is the future possibility, which is used to express the possibility that something may or may not happen. For example, if you don't study, you could fail in CAT exam. Next is the request, which is the extra polite request and is generally used in formal conversations between the boss or the team. So here in the picture also you can see. Thank you friends for the patient hearing. We'll meet